on you, white on rice. I just made some rice.
Today's agenda is getting a GLI trunk. Difference between TDI or the regular jetted trunk and a GLI trunk is the newer GLI Mark 4 trunks have like a little indent here. I'm getting that, and I'm getting a roof rack. Boys' car, we're doing spacers, studs, putting wheels on. This car. How come your tire's flat? I said, how come your tire's flat?
Look at the scratch tire. It's flat. I don't know why.
I just scratched. How'd you scratch it?
Blacking?
So how'd you scratch it?
Okay.
I mean, John. Wait, what the fuck?
What?
I thought John had drove his car here. You should get one, bro. Instead of getting a Honda.
Nope.
Yes.
I already have one headache, bro. The Honda is still gonna be a headache, but it's not gonna be as bad of a headache.
This is the lip that I was talking about.
Nothing. Bro, you get waxed by this supercar. I don't want to hear nothing. Bro, you already have one car to work.
Definitely the clutch, bro.
I was about to say. Shit had me scared. That's 20 foot-pounds.
You put the outside on?
Yeah. Bro, 20 foot-pounds does not sound like a lot.
Bro, I did like wheel spec, like 90.
What?
That's probably why I twist the alien key, but
They fucking made it, so I guess I should listen, right?
type shit.
You have a wrenches, right?
Instructions say to torque it to 20 foot-pounds. So we already put Loctite on it. When I did mine, I torqued them to like torqued them to like wheel spec, which is like 90 or some shit like that. 88. How come you got the chrome ones and not the black ones?
It's probably because these were cheaper.
Oh, for the VTEC was loose. Really?
So now it's not gonna drive like a grandma car? If you're not spinning wheels, it's not fixed. Stop the bus. Right here? Yeah. It's definitely fixed! That car did not move like that before.
Probably idle better too.
Bro, when I drove drove that thing, I was like, why is this thing so slow? Yeah, that's
No.
definitely way faster.
Definitely broke tire too.
It's definitely a lot faster. I just gotta That's why you just got shot.
You got a shot? Wow.
Playing with the connector. Dragon Ball Z.
Come on, man. My face is peeling. I told you. You're OD, because you're mad close now.
And I'm zoomed in too, bro.
I'm gonna block
You can't block me on YouTube, bro.
What you mean? You doing it, I'm doing it too.
You scaring the boy, yo.
I'm scared him. I'm letting him know.
Look,
I'm letting him know it's okay.
Yo, come on, bro, you pedo. Exposing yourself to kids. Oh, see, look, bro, that's the closest thing you get to a white van, huh?
You're OD, bro. You have the AC on? What's the fuel ratio? What does it say?
18.
See, that's what I was talking about. This shit is mad hot.
It's mad high, but the car.
RPM gauge works, right?
See? It goes down though.
I guess he tuned it for it to move, but not the idle good. Does that make sense? I don't know. Me or Danny? What happened?
That's mad weird.
It was what?
It wasn't going to 20. It just kept going to 19.1.
Now I think if you,
Bro, I'm gonna lower the front more. I can't lower the back anymore.
No.
That's max.
yeah, lead the back, but the front definitely do.
Yo, Wayne, I'm gonna take my shoe off and throw it at you.
He's trying to pop start it. That's why the battery's dead.
Oh, that's good.
Nah, I'm just going. I think I do need bigger spacers though.
Let's get different wheels now, bro. At this point,
A month with a black car, no wash.
I just got one today.
You did wash. Yeah, I don't know if I have that much string.
Bro, I gave up later.
Carter. Look. Dirt bike.
Now you want to get on.
Should be good.
I'm gonna put 15 in the back though.
15 what?
put the spacer to test fit it. Or you think I should?
Oh, you put the spacers in the back?
I just put it to test fit it.
What size is that?
That's 10. You think I should keep 10?
Are you planning on lowering it?
I can't. That's like the spring.
Oh, there you have coilovers.
Oh, that's literally. Yeah, there's no perch in there. What is he doing?
To back out, you needed to go up there and then turn. It doesn't. I think you should go with 15. Yeah.
So I fix it so it doesn't look as I mean, it kind of settled the photo.
I mean, it's still going to settle more, but... What colors are these? Or... That's fine.
Might have just buy springs that shit lower.
How you know his alternator was bad?
Put like my breaker bar on it, and you could hear the bearing, and you could see the pulley shaking back and forth.
How much you paid for it?
Alternator?
Mm-hmm.
160.
Yeah, the brand new one or a used one?
Not brand new. FCP.
No vatos one?
Honestly, you have a 3/8 electric ratchet, right?
Mm-hmm. The bolts, not the bolts, the pulley, and the pulley pulled back and the belt off. Now he's just taking off the bolts for the alternator. What you say I needed for mine again? You said I needed something over here.
I don't remember.
It was like squealing or some shit.
Same thing, serpentine bolt. The bolt that I just took off the tensioner. What I'm taking off right now. I remember.
Because this is was your best car.
Nah, I didn't replace this in my GTi though. My GTi luckily never had charging problems.
Well, fucking GTi, same shit.
Still pretty random sizes to remember.
You've never seen that happen either, bro.
That's really scary.
This must have just happened because this charging problem started happening, right?
Yeah, as a recently.
So yeah, it probably just happened.
Sure has the same amount of views. I gotta take a snap for Cal. Cash out for the cash out. Non-stop to the top, big block shit, you dig? Money down, knucklehead. Just gotta put that wrench back and move it with my hand. the only like thing I'm super happy about. That would really fucking suck. Literally ripped right there. Like as
Where?
I was pulling up, the battery light came on. It was
Shit.
stuttering because of that intercooler piping.
Wrong alternator would do it to you, man. Got an alternator for GLS and the regular GLs, and the pulley on the alternator sits farther in,
It was running good. Ow.
farther in than the stock ones, or one for GLI.
Just get Dave to get that alternator because I know he can get it. And I'm sure he could get the part tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. This nigga is fried.
License and registration.
No, Dave has all. Dave could get the alternator though. What?
It's always something with these cars, man.
He has that alternator almost easier than my GTi did. And it went on super easily too.
What?
You could zoom with that or no?
Yeah, I'm in 6x zoom right now.
Prada's, you look nice. On you white on rice. I just made some rice. I just escaped the blue and white. The track off, it's a blue and white.